this Edpuzzle, we are going to talk about tax and tip. Remember, a tax is government mandated that is added on top of, or in addition to, the price of a item or good, and a tip is in addition to a service that is provided for you, such as a waitress or a waiter or something like that. So the first step in calculating tax, as with markup and discount, is convert the percent to a decimal by moving the decimal point to the left 2 spots, and then multiply the converted percent by the original price. This tells you how much tax must be paid. And then the third step is you're going to add that amount to the original price to find out the total price including tax. So an example is find the total price including tax of a hat that costs $15.99 with a 6% tax. So the first step is to convert 6% into a decimal, which is 0.06. Second step is to multiply the converted percent by the price of the item, which is $15.99, which gives you a 96-cent tax. You add that tax amount to the original price of the product, which gives you $16.95 total price, including the tax for the hat. For tip, again, you convert the percent to a decimal by moving the decimal to the left 2 spots, and then you multiply the converted percent by the original price. This tells you how much is being given as a tip. In step 3, you add that amount to the original price to find the total cost, including tip. So an example for tip is how much tip should you leave for a 20% tip on a $40 meal? What is the total including tip? Okay, so you convert 20% into decimal, so that would be 0.2. Multiply that by the cost of the meal, which is $40, which calculates to an $8 tip. So you're going to tip $8, and then you add that tip to the price of the meal, which gives you $48 total including the tip.